there's, no events, we'll have a trial sometime this year, and we're looking forward to it, honestly. I really...
Are you hopeful for ASAP in this?
His mentality is very confident. It's a process. No one likes to have to go through this, but he will, and he'll come out stronger, and we'll come out on top of this because he's not guilty.
Will you entertain a plea deal?
No, he will not entertain a plea deal.
Are you concerned about the video evidence?
Not even a little bit.
Mr. Tacopina, for us that came in late, can you just fill us in about what occurred today upstairs?
It was just an arraignment on the information. Two charges were read to him. He pled not guilty, and we left. So that's it. He won't be making appearances on every court date. You heard us do that 977 waiver, which simply just allows him not to have to appear for just routine status conferences. And we hope to be on trial by September in this case. I don't want to get this done and over with so he can start joining his family and move on.
Are you expecting the prosecutors to try to limit your ability to mention the civil case that the victim has filed? Because that seems like a big part.
I'm not worried about that at all.
Sure.
The law is very clear on that. The civil case and him asking for millions of dollars is a motivating factor, and it goes to the credibility of any witness. So, of course, that'll come in. That's the law. It's not really up for debate, so I'm not too worried about that.
Should ASAP fans be worried or anything about anything
No,
that pretty much
ASAP
happened?
fans should not be worried. I promised both times I've been here that he'll be vindicated. I maintain that promise today. He's going to get through this. He's cool as a cucumber. We're good. We're all good, guys. I don't want to get into our defense or what we're going to be revealing or what flamethrowers I'm going to have that are heading towards the heads of certain witnesses, but it's just the way it's going to be. We're going to be quiet and we're going to try the case in the courtroom, and when we do, facts will come out that show that he's truly innocent and he's a victim in this case.
Your name and spelling, please.
Is there any final remarks or anything that you can say for any of his fans or anything like that? I know he hasn't really spoke on it. I'm just kind of curious.
No, this is not more I can say other than he's going to be vindicated. There's not really much more to say. Again, this is not the trial here, guys, and we have a lot of evidence that you all don't know about. I have a strong suspicion the prosecution doesn't know about, but they're going to find out.
Did you say ASAP ready to put this behind?
Oh yeah. Of course, look, anyone in this situation is ready to put this behind them, but we have to go through the process, and he's ready to go through the process. He's a very strong character and a very strong individual. Really, honestly, one of the best guys I've ever met when it comes to being able to cope with this.
You guaranteed a vindication. Have you discussed the possibility of conviction?
No, we've not discussed the possibility of conviction. There's no reason to discuss the possibility of conviction. Facts will take us in a certain direction, and we'll deal with whatever comes our way, but that's not a concern.
What are the final steps in this case, for people at home? What do they need to know?
Okay, in a very sort of simplistic way, we have to file motions. We'll be challenging some of the evidence, some of the rulings in the preliminary hearing, some of the conduct in this case by law enforcement. We'll challenge filing motions. After that, we'll have some hearings at some point, and then after that, we'll pick a jury. That's basically what it is. Okay, guys, I got to run. It's Joe Tacopina, but they know how to spell.
Thank you, Joe.